Hello from Slovenia again. I will do this reverse flower dip with this 3D printed cup. I will put the link where you can buy it into the description box. It has 8 petals, so it will create a little different shape of a flower than just a normal plastic cup that you can buy, flower shaped dessert cup. And I already flooded my canvas with white. Of course, it's mixed with pouring medium. If you want to see how I mix my paints, you will find this into the description box down below too. So I will just start with my flower, and in my squeeze bottle is my pearl white mixture. And you can find that into the description box too. And next one is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And some pearl white again. And this is Cadence Dora Metallics Lavender. I don't know how this one will play in flower dips. We will see. And pearl white again. And this one is golden permanent violet deep. Wow, this one is a little thick. Just add a little water in it for the next row, because I think that it thickened up on me a little bit. And pearl white again. I'm in this violet mood today because spring is coming in Slovenia and violets starts to bloom. So, and this is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Violet, violet blue. I will put the name into the description box, and I will just go once more. And I have this greenish yellow, but I will add it just in the on the last row. Cadence lavender again, pearl white again, and golden, permanent violet deep. I will put all the brands and colors into the description box too, so you can check them there if you will not be able to remember all those colors. There is quite a lot of paint in the middle with these cups because they are more flat than my normal cups, so I will probably just leave this and turn it around. Okay, let's put this back on top. And pearl white again. And Amsterdam permanent blue violet. And pearl white again. And lavender. Pearl white again, and golden's deep violet. They are similar with permanent blue violet, but they dry a little different, so I want to have a little more of this shade. So that's why I decided to add this one. And for the last, I will add this Amsterdam greenish yellow, not yellowish green, greenish yellow. They have two. One is greenish yellow and one is yellowish green. And they are different, so. Okay, let me grab a skewer. Draw some petals. Just hope that I don't have too much paint. Okay, and I will spray my paper napkin with water just to mist it a little bit, just to be a little softer, that I can control it maybe a little better when I lift it. Okay. And I will leave this middle like it is. I will not touch it. I will just put my napkin down. In the middle. And the other half. I will just try to make sure that my paint touches the napkin in all the places. I don't even know if I will have some of this yellowish green or not. And now to the lifting part. The hardest part. Oop. I will grab all my corners now and go straight up. Yay! But I don't know where all my lacing is gone. We'll just add some white around and spin it a little bit. maybe, or I will just smooth this out. I will see. This paint is self-leveling, so it will level out by itself too, but just want to help it a little bit. Where is my torch? Here you are. So let's torch this a little bit. I have a feeling that my Bessner binder is a little different lately. I know that you in States have this with your float roll too, so I don't know, maybe it is something about that. So I will give it a spin and let it flow over the edges. Okay, and this will be it. I have to just clean this a little bit. And then I will take you down for a close-up. I can already see that I will scrape this paint and have it for some nice pale violet background probably. Okay. So here you have it. Here is our flower. I will just wash my hands real quick. And take you for a close-up. One more torch. And oops. See how it looks. So here it is. I think that it's turned out quite nice, and sometimes I really like when paint goes over the edge, because I think that, I don't know, it gives it a little different feel or something. I really like it, and I like this middle here and a little of this greenish yellow. I think it's pretty cool. So this was my flower for today. Inspired by violets that starts to bloom in my garden. So it's not the shape like a violet, but still, and it's not centered, but I like it the way it is. So tell me what you think about it. And you can see that there is not a lot of lacing. It is, but not as much as I get sometimes. I don't know, maybe pearl medium is different. Just think that lately I have a little different results with this pearl white. I don't know, or just maybe my feeling, but I think that it's pretty nice anyway. Tell me what you think about it. Do you like it, or it's just a purple maybe for some of you? So see you on the next one. Bye.